Hello and welcome to my channel Wonders of Price Action. This is the chart of gold monthly time frame. We are beginning this analysis from monthly time frame. Now this is the monthly level that the gold is expected, though it has been rejected on daily time frame, but let us figure it out on all time frames. Now this was the monthly here. It was the resistance. Here also it went up. Previously broke this resistance and went up. But after going up, we see that all the months, in these months, though these months closed above this, but this month closed below this. 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 Only this month is that closed above this, and this was a bearish month overall. And previously the high was not broken. So this is on the monthly time frame. This is the level we are feeling like, we are watching it like, viewing it like that it is now expected to be rejected. But let us see on this weekly time frame and other time frames also. Now on the weekly time frame, now this is the weekly time frame. Now this is a weekly market structure. This is a big market structure in which when it was going up, this was the level that was though broken because it went up, but after first time it went up but came back and then broke it to the upward. And this is the wick of the week. After going above this level, it went up and came down. This is the wick, and there is a huge market structure above this level. So weekly rejection is also being seen here. And on the daily time frame, there are many aspects. For example, this was the major move to the upward. So this is also a major move to the upward. It needs some retracements, even if gold is bullish, but there is high probability of a good retracement. Now let us see this on the take your time. We need to watch this on still to on daily time frame. Now watch here. Let me take the bullish now that I have analyzed earlier and now sharing with you. Now this was a major move to the upward, to the upside. And what happened then? Then it was some retracement here. So from here to here, there was not a direct upward move, ups and downs, ups and downs. From here, it is a major move to the upward. Now it needs some retracements on the. Now let us move to the other time frames, small time frames. Now this is the 4-hour time frame that I want to show you now. This is the 4-hour time frame. Now if we consider it rejection from here, now this is a level. This is a 4-hour time frame level that was broken to the upward and then went to the upward. Now, but what do we expect? That it will just retest this, use this as support. If it uses as a support, it still will come to this level. Now let me put the horizontal line here. To if this is used as support, 1900. So if for short time there is a sell up to 1900, and if it is to come here 1886, these are all the levels, 1872. So this is a sell from this according to my analysis. Now let me put the short position here. Short position, if we put here short position, stop loss be above this line, above this. So let me adjust this. This is the stop loss, and there are take profits here. These are the nearest take profits. Please like this video, subscribe my channel, and comment on this video what do you think of gold. Thanks for watching. Bye for now. I'll be coming in the next video with another analysis. Bye.